This video guys, I'm going to show you how you can download Roblox to your laptop just in few minutes. So this will be quick tutorial for you guys. I already have my account as you can see over here, so I'm going to show you how I did it and how I download Roblox to my laptop. So what you need to do first guys is, first step is you need to go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Roblox, okay, like this, and you should see over here the link of Roblox game. As you can see, what you will do, if you scroll down, you should see in the Roblox link, you should see over here download, okay, click on download like this, and you will be directly in this page. What you need to do next is you just need to click over here on download, okay, and it will be download to your laptop. Then you need just to go and click on the application and it will be installed to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching. That's how I uploaded a Roblox to my laptop, and it's really easy and simple. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.